On the bookshelf here in my office, I keep my old high school chemistry book, which I consult periodically in case I ever need an atomic weight or something from my periodic table. Yeah, which is to say never. But it's here nonetheless as a reminder that I was a marginal track and field athlete and in no way Usain Bolt. Once again, Bolt went up against the world and clock times that make you doubt the Swiss know how to keep time. 9.58 in the 100 meters, 19.19 over 200 meters. World records by meters, not slivers. Astonishingly silly performances projected for decades from now, not today. He is a Jamaican blur in the simplest and most pure sport. Right? It's just a foot race from here to there. And in 9.58 seconds, look, Bolt, I can't make it halfway down my driveway. And it's not that long a driveway.
He's a Jamaican blur. Hey, look, there's Bolt. Hey, Dad, I can make it down the driveway in 9.5 seconds.
Lousy show-off kids. In 19.19 seconds, however, I can open my garage door. How long is 9.58 seconds? About that long. It's faster than fast. And a quick reminder, like my chemistry book, to stay in school. Bolt, the fastest man ever, is still human. Means at his top speed, about 27 miles an hour, he can barely outrun an elephant. He gets dusted, maybe even eaten, in a race with a grizzly bear. Deer, giraffes, warthogs, all of them faster than a speeding Bolt. And even if you want to compare on 2 legs instead of 4, Bolt gets beaten in a big way by an ostrich. The point here, it's our brain that keeps us at the top of the food chain. Our ability to think and reason beyond basic survival urges that makes man the most dangerous animal on the planet. Athletic ability is admirable, but physically, we're weak. It's mentally where we're strong. We think fast, so we don't often have to run fast. Smart wins. And the atomic weight of manganese is 54.93805. Who didn't know that, huh? Let Bolt be a shining example to study.